Good morning, welcome to the beautiful Todd, North Carolina. Today we are in the mountains on family vacation with Elena's family and my mum, she's in town. Today we're going to enjoy the mountains, go on the Blue Ridge Parkway, do some hiking. Should be a pretty fun day. How about this place though? Now, I don't know if you like adventure gear, but I love it. I gotta recommend you a few pieces that I recently got picked up. This is the Oakley dry case bag, perfect for keeping your technology dry or anything dry when you're in a sticky situation. Then we have these North Face hiking pants, hiking shorts. Absolutely love them. To be fair, Miss Elena got them me, and
your sugar daddy.
My sugar daddy. My sugar daddy. I feel like an old man talking about them, but they got everything. All the zips, all the clips, super lightweight, and the best part of them all. Oh, look at these things. ACG Dog Mountains, all condition gear Nikes, hiking boots, sneakers, whatever you want to call them. These things are just absolutely flames. On them country roads, and today we got a special guest.
Yes, certainly have. All the way from the UK.
My mama! Mama, how are you liking your experience in America so far?
That's lovely so far. Lots of lovely food, lots of lovely people, lots of lovely scenery. All perfect.
Fantastic! So we're at Linville Falls, about to do the hike. Very famous waterfall here. Apparently it's the most photographed waterfall in North Carolina. And we came via the Blue Ridge Parkway, which is honestly, it's just magical. It's a beautiful place. If you haven't been on it, you gotta drive down it. Hopefully one day I'll get a motorbike and I'll go cruising, but we'll see. What do you call them, Elena?
Trash humans.
Don't drop trash at these places. How are we finding the walk?
It's going good. We got little munchkins.
So good little hike. Honestly, it's probably best to come on a Monday to Friday because it's just so busy, because it's just such a popular place. But I enjoyed it. Now to rest up, and then it's game time. Welcome to the Mountain Games. Today's opponent features Miss Elena Jefferson versus me. We feature ping pong, foosball, pool. Not saying I get competitive, Oh, it's on. So that's the end of the first edition of the mountain games, all in good fun. Me and Elena, when we play a lot, we usually get pretty competitive no matter whether it's Monopoly, pool, or playing soccer. Elena played for the women's team at Queen's, so we try to keep it as PG as possible because we didn't want to get in any fights. But anyway, I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you for watching. I'll try and leave you with as much of a time lapse as I can, but it doesn't look like the sun's really out. But anyway, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please subscribe, like my IGTV videos, and I'll see you in the next video.